Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing new skin liquid bandage. We got two different ones here. One is a spray on and one looks like it's a brush. I guess we're going to try the spray on first. So long story short, I'm not going to show you guys right yet because I don't want to scare you guys away. If you are interested, you can find this product in my video description. But long story short, this finger on the other side, I sliced it. I was slicing an apple with a machine that has a very thick and strong razor blade on it. The machine actually broke on me. The safety feature that's supposed to guard your fingers broke, and I sliced my finger. 9 out of 10 people probably would have gone to the ER. It was bad, but because I know kind of what to do. Long story short, I was slicing apples and peaches, and I used the peach skin to block the hole, and then I put Band-Aid on really tight, and I kept doing that for I did that for a full day to get the bleeding to stop, and then the next day I had just a smaller piece of peach skin, and then after that I'm down to not using anything. But the problem is Band-Aids are sticking to the actual open wound, so when I pull the Band-Aid off, it sticks and it hurts and it keeps reopening. So we're going to try this liquids spray. I do want to point out I use colloidal silver, and without colloidal silver my finger would not be healed this quick. Colloidal silver is an amazing healing liquid. I'm serious, guys. So I'm about to show you my finger, so if you're a little squeamish of cuts and stuff, please turn away. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is my finger now. I don't know how well you can see it, but it was cut a lot worse. It was probably down to about there. It is healing. This has been a couple days past, and it's healing phenomenal with colloidal silver. But I just wanted to try this stuff. I don't know what it's really all about, but I don't know how this stuff's gonna work. Ow. Okay. Well, that stuff's weird. So this is supposed to be liquid skin, apparently. So I got it so I could stop wearing a Band-Aid. For now, anyway. So I'm just trying to clean it up the sides. It definitely stings, that's for sure. It actually really hurts. Really hurts. It hurts a lot more than colloidal silver water. So I wonder what the active ingredient is in here. Okay, I can't even pronounce that, but benzithium chloride 0.2 first aid. I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to work. I mean, what it does really, I guess it. Anyway, so that's where we're at. This was deeper. We broke through all 3 layers of skin, obviously. We broke through the muscle, and we got to the tissue as well. So, it was pretty rough. I was very scared. I did not go to the doctors because I was raised on a farm, and going to the doctors is basically my last resort. I am proud on the fact that I like to find ways to fix things myself, and I did it. With colloidal silver, what you have to understand is bacteria cannot grow on colloidal silver, so I keep using colloidal silver. I use it in my toothpaste for years and years. Always use colloidal silver, and it heals wounds I would say 5 times faster than normal, than just regular Band-Aids or anything else. You know, it's amazing. So yeah, this new skin, I guess it put like a little thin layer of liquid over it, I guess. And alright, so as an update, my finger, so the whole point of the new skin was to spray it on and then put a Band-Aid on place and hope that the Band-Aid doesn't pull up the skin, and so far it's working. You know, I sprayed it on. It looks like a clear film, almost like ice in a way. So far the Band-Aid is not actually sticking to my flesh, because before, you know, it would stick and I'd have to peel and rip it up and it would hurt. It looks like it's doing its job with not pulling up. Yeah, it's like I'm feeling it here, and it's like a film of glass almost. So yeah, that's actually definitely helping with my Band-Aid situation of not pulling up the flesh and it being in too much pain. So I'm upping this to a 9 out of 10. I think that's awesome. Flexible seal for hard to cover places. Prevents infection of minor cuts and scrapes. Well, this wasn't really minor, but since we did our process in the beginning and got it to stop bleeding, now it works good. So yeah, yeah, definitely a 9. Maybe a 10 out of 10, but definitely a 9. It's kind of like super glue, I guess, but not. I don't know. I guess it works. We could give it a 6 out of 10, because it looks like it put a little layer, like a film. I don't know how strong that film is. Obviously, we hit something, it's probably going to bleed or something, so it's probably not in place of a Band-Aid, but it probably would help to keep my flesh from sticking to the Band-Aid, as you see here. So that might be a good thing for it, and that's kind of why I got it. So hopefully it can block and my flesh doesn't stick to the Band-Aid, and then when I rip it off it doesn't pull it out. That's kind of why I got it. So yeah, you know, 6, 7 out of 10 so far.